Alright, let's start by marinating this nice beef rib rack. Begin with a big orange. Have it and squeeze out all the juice using a manual juicer. Then take 2 lemons, slice them up, and repeat the juicing process. I love adding citrus flavors when cooking beef, chicken, or even lamb. It really enhances the flavor when combined with fresh herbs. For the seasoning, I'm using 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. You can find the full recipe for these in the description box below. With a wooden brush, mix all these ingredients together into a tasty, spicy sauce. We'll apply a thick coating of this marinade to the beef ribs, ensuring they're fully covered. Flip it over and give the other side the same treatment. Don't hold back. All this marinade will cook into the ribs to make it extra delicious. Instead of potatoes, we'll use carrots since I thought I had potatoes in the refrigerator, but we'll make do with carrots. Finally, top it off with fresh rosemary. We'll cover the ribs with aluminum foil to seal in the juices and flavors. Now let's prepare the oven. I preheated it 2 hours ago, and the internal temperature is now around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll spread the coals left and right to create a space in the center. Gently slide the sheet pan inside the oven and let it work its magic. Close the oven door and let these ribs slow cook for 3.5 hours at this current temperature. The heat is high, which is why some neighborhood cats love to hang out around the oven. As the ribs are slow cooking, I'll show you how I make this quick and easy fresh salad. Begin by slicing and dicing some fresh tomatoes, followed by some cucumbers. Then, cut a lemon in half. Combine all these ingredients in a bowl with chopped parsley. Season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt, olive oil, and lemon juice. Toss all these veggies together, and voila! A healthy spring salad ready in just 2 minutes. Okay, time to wake up this beef. Carefully open the oven door and remove the tray. Gently lift off the aluminum foil. This looks incredible. To make the skin crispy and golden brown, I'm going to crank up the heat and put these ribs back in for an extra 15 minutes. Now, let me make an announcement on this channel. I'm thrilled to share that I'll be posting 30 videos in 30 days, featuring recipes using only fire and flames. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Back to the ribs. I'm really looking forward to trying this dish. The meat is so tender that you can just pull out the bones.